It's stiffer on the left?
Yeah.
Push out the foot. Okay, turn your head to the left for me. Turn your head to the left, Mike. Push out. Left ear to left shoulder. Push out. That's the one. Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. You okay there?
Yeah.
Straighten. Stretch your hands above your head. Stretch and straighten the leg for me. Straighten the leg. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Drop down, drop down. Bend the knee. On your tummy, hands on your tummy. Stretch and straighten. And the arms. Breathe in. And breathe out. Drop shoulders down. Breathe in. Okay, onto your tummy. The season before we should have it as well. Chin down. Not totally lost. I mean, I'm surprised he's got any confidence left with his last football appointments. Left one. Fairly equal there, yeah?
Yeah.
Bend the knee, Mike. Push up hard. Right one. There's that roll. That's right. On your back, me right there.
Me back.
For your lower back
Yeah,
headaches
lower back,
as well?
No.
No, just spinal pain, yeah. And generally you're doing pretty well now, yeah. You've been coming forward. You stay in maintenance, don't you, now? You look after your spine.
Yeah.
How long have you been coming for, mate?
About 4 years.
4 years, and you just,
I come really because it helps with migraines.
yeah, and helps with your migraines, yeah?
Yeah. And I don't get it.
You don't get any migraines anymore, that's good. Okay, well done, Mike. See you in about a month, buddy.
Okay, yeah.
Keep things moving.